Crafts YouTube channel.
Like and subscribe.
To another tutorial.
Like and
Here we
subscribe.
go. Proportional relationships. First person we have is Bart Simpson from Springfield. Let's hear it. Okay, Bart, how do we do number one?
So first, what you're gonna want to do is divide 5 by 100. Oh, the opposite.
So what are we doing?
We're dividing.
Right, but dividing. Which
division.
number are we dividing by which number?
Oh, we're dividing 5 to 100.
We're dividing
100 to 5.
by 5. Be careful. Be careful. So 100, right, dividing by 5 gives us
20.
20. So $20 per hour. Now, how do we know that it's dividing by 5? Because look up here, this is very important. Because it says per hour. Which number is next to hour? Okay, now I'm repeating this. Alright, now we've got Cookie coming from Sesame Street. Okay, so how do we do number 2?
You divide you divide 5 nines by 2 nines.
5 nines divided by 2 nines. Alright, do we agree with that, or is it the other way around?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Because it says per hour, and the number for hour is 2 nines.
Yes.
So we have to divide by that number. Alright. That's correct. Okay, now, by the way, who had that correct on their page?
Me, Mr. Fast.
Very good. Okay, go ahead. So how do we solve this problem?
You divide and you switch 9 and 2.
Switch 9 and 2. So 5 nines times 9 over 2.
Yes.
Let's reduce those 9s, right?
Yes.
So you get 1, divide them both by 9.
Yes.
And the answer is?
5 12. 5 and a half.
5 halves.
Yes.
Which is the same as 2 and a half.
Yes.
Okay, let's hear it for Cookie. I guess we're going with a food theme. With a food theme here because we got milkshake.
Mango.
Okay, milkshake. So how do we do number 3?
So we divide 15.50 by 2.
That's right. We divide 15.50 by 2. We get
$7.75.
$7.75. Alright, now that's going to be number 4 because it's asking us price per gallon, meaning price every 1 gallon. $7.75. Alright, what about 3?
It's 15.50 times 2.
Say it again.
15.50 times 2.
No, that would have been 4. Okay,
Oh,
so
no,
we
it's
need
times
to,
3.
What?
How do you find this one here? It's not going to be times 4. Not going to be doing this one times 2. Yeah, there's just a couple different ways to do this. Since we have the unit rate, you can multiply it times what, sir?
3.
Times 3, right. So that's one way to do it, and you would get 23, what is it, 25? Is that right? 23.25. And then, but another way to do it is actually just addition. You can do it that way too. Just add another 775.
Now, for the big...
Okay, how'd you get the last one?
So, what we do is... we divide 170.50 by 7.75.
Exactly, by 775. And what do we get?
22.
22. You will have a calculator for the test tomorrow. Just remember that. Okay. And now we've got Dude Bro.
Hello.
Maybe a little one. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have to decide if the next ones are proportional or not proportional.
So
how about number 5?
I put non-proportional.
Non-proportional, that's right. How'd you figure that out?
Because the last one is by 15, while it should be by 15.50.
Sure, well, they have to match.
Yeah.
So he sees that the first one's 15.50, and this one is not 15.50, it's 15.
Yeah.
These two are like something else too, so it is not the same. So how do you know that it's not proportional?
Because the unit rates are not proportional.
Because the unit rate does not stay the
Same.
Or you could also write the constant of proportionality. Does not stay the same. What? Correct. Okay. All right. What about for number 6?
For number 6, it is proportional because when all of them are times 7, they're the same.
Right. They're all times 7. But what we want to think about is dividing y divided by x. So divide in the answer 7. But yeah, that is the same thing as saying it's all times 7. Okay, good. So how do we, I agree with him. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Proportional? Okay, and how do we explain it? Well, he can do it.
I put all of them are times 7, so the unit rates stay the same.
Unit rate stays the same. Okay. Thank you, dude bro. Now we've got Emma. All right. So is this one proportional?
Yeah.
Yes. I agree. Why? How can you tell?
Because it starts at 0.
How do you know?
Because it starts at 0, 0.
Starts at 0, 0, which is called the origin. Either way, you can say 0, 0. Origin. And the graph is a straight line. You always have to say that it's also a straight line. Straight line. Okay, how about number 8? Is it proportional or not proportional? Non-proportional, and this time because
it doesn't start at.
Does not start at 0, 0 in the origin. Does not start at 0, 0 or at the origin. Okay, let's hear it for Emma. And I get to finish the what? You want to do it? Yeah, we better. Okay, the table shows a proportional relationship. Thanks. And what is the constant? Anybody know?
330.
330. That is correct. Alright, how do we know that? The easiest way is to do 330 divided by 1. Especially since there's a 1. Write the equation that describes relationship. What's the equation? No. No. The equation always is y equals. Alright. Careful. So what is the k? It's a number. It's 5. You have to look the easiest way if there's a 1, remember, is to look up from the 1. So k is equal to 5. What does the constant proportionality represent in this situation? In other words, in real life, what is 5? 5 what? 5 oranges? 5 melons?
5 slices of pizza.
Right? So what does it really mean? 5, that there are 5 lemons for every picture. That's right, 5 lemons I guess this baseball team really likes eating lemons. Just kidding. Exactly. Okay, what's the equation? Again, the equation needs to be the same. So, similar to the other one. Y equals 5x. Exactly. Very good. You have to have a y and an x and your k. Y equals kx. Okay, and now what does the ordered pair mean? What does 735 mean if you look at that chart? What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean?
It means 7.
35 lemons for every pitcher. 35 lemons. Thank you. In 7 pitchers. Any questions? No, sir. All right.